Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Broad Vlog. Today I'm going to be giving a self-care tip. It's on how to help grow and maintain a healthy beard. I'll be using my Jamaican castor oil mixed with tea tree oil, but I'm going to also mix it in with the brush. Jamaican castor oil is a natural oil that assists in acne, moisturizes, and maintains hair follicles. It's also a natural anti-ager, and it also helps healing scars. Tea tree oil unclogs hair follicles, and it also nourishes roots and encourages new growth. Tea tree oil for the skin reduces inflammatory conditions and also prevents acne breakouts. So there's a lot of benefits on tea tree oil and Jamaican oil, but those two mixed really create a power duo. Always clean your tools. I'm going to use my Sea Breeze to basically clean out my brushes a little bit. I'm just going to lightly put some on, and then I'm going to use the comb to get the gunk out. And I didn't show this step in the video, but I rinsed it under hot water as well. And that usually cleans off the brushes pretty well, and about 99% of the gunk gets out of there. I'm going to take my Jamaican tea tree oil and I'm going to lightly coat it with my brush. What this does on my brush, it actually helps put the oil into my skin and hair follicles a lot easier and faster throughout the day. I always add a little bit of Jamaican castor oil and tea tree oil, and I just brush my beard for about 3 minutes. I also brush my hair with it. What it does is it helps me nourish my hair without actually thinking about it. But the process to growing a beard is sometimes it's hereditary and you can't really control that. But this method actually helps encourage beard growth, and it assists the process to move a lot faster. I have been using this method for the past 5 years and I have seen nothing but great results. So I can definitely assure you, if you stick to this method, you will see results not only in your hair growth, but also in your skincare under your beard as well.